Get. Get allows you to input one character at a time from the keyboard without hitting. This really speeds entering data in many apply cations. Whatever key is hit is assigned to the variable you specify with get. The following routine illustrates how get works. If you run the program, the screen will clear and each time you hit a key, line 20 will print it on the display, and then get another character. It is important to note that the character entered will not be displayed unless you specifically print it to the screen, as we've done here. The second statement on line 10 is also important. Get continually works, even if no key is pressed, unlike input that waits for a response, so the second part of this line continually checks the keyboard until a key is hit. See what happens if the second part of line 10 is eliminated. To stop this program, you can hit the MM and JM keys.
So it's a typing program. Okay, that's alright, eh? Normally, when you type something, and enter, it says that. It's a nice little program.
The first part of the temperature conversion program could easily be rewritten to use get. Load the temperature conversion program and modify lines 10, 20 and 40 as shown.
And then, let's list it.
This modification will make the program operate smoother, as nothing will happen unless the user types in one of the desired responses to select the type of conversion. Once this change is made, make sure you save the new version of the program.
Enter the degrees. 32. So that's smoother, is it?
Save it. Save. Temp on 2.
Well, that was fun. Too cool.